The Xerox Adaptive CMYK Plus Kit lets you add high-value enhancements to any design project easily and cost-effectively. With 11 available toner colors, you can create a million possibilities. This video features the Fluorescent Toner Kit, which contains Fluorescent Cyan, Fluorescent Magenta, and Fluorescent Yellow, along with your existing black. These colors will be used to create a range of eye-catching specialty effects in only a few steps. When designing for this technology, it is important to understand that standard CMYK and fluorescence can't be printed at the same time. Let's get started with this attention-grabbing bike sticker that uses pure fluorescent cyan, fluorescent magenta, and fluorescent yellow spots, along with black. As you can see, contrasting fluorescence with pure black really makes the colors pop. We're using Adobe Illustrator here, but the same concepts apply when using Adobe InDesign. First, you'll need to rename your colors correctly and save them as spot colors to ensure bright, saturated fluorescent effects. Open the swatch palette. Name your fluorescent colors exactly as shown here. The names are case-sensitive, and designate each as a CMYK spot color. Fluorescent cyan is always represented as F cyan. Fluorescent magenta is F magenta, and fluorescent yellow is F yellow. Leave black as black. Be certain black elements in your design are designated as 100% K. Using processed black or rich black will produce a muddier result. Next, select the design elements you want to print as fluorescent and fill them with your desired spot color. When a file is ready to be saved as a PDF, there are specific settings that need to be checked. Under Adobe PDF Preset, select Press Quality. On the Compression tab, ensure all image types are set to Do Not Downsample. And under Output, there should be no color conversion, and the Profile Inclusion policy should be set to include all RGB and tagged sources. Lastly, under Advanced, make sure to note subset fonts when the percent of characters used is less than 100%. Then, click Save PDF. Remember to let your print provider know you've designed for the Fluorescent Kit, and ask for a proof to ensure your job prints as expected. Be sure to review the Adaptive CMYK Plus Kit graphic design and file preparation guidelines for more ideas, tips, and detailed instructions on how to use this exclusive technology to add sparkle and glow to your designs. For more how-to videos, go to xerox.com/creative.